Monitoring and maintaining email delivery is a crucial aspect for businesses and organizations that heavily rely on email communication. Ensuring that emails are consistently being delivered to recipients' inboxes and not being marked as spam is key to successful email marketing campaigns and overall communication effectiveness. In order to achieve this, it is important to utilize tools for monitoring email delivery and reputation. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the most commonly used tools for this purpose. 1. Sender Score. Sender Score is a widely used tool for monitoring email reputation. It provides a score based on the sender's IP address reputation, domain reputation, and other factors. A higher sender score indicates better email deliverability and sender reputation, while a lower score may indicate potential issues that need to be addressed. 2. Spam Filter Testing. Spam filters play a significant role in deciding whether an email will end up in the recipient's inbox or spam folder. There are several tools available that allow you to test your emails against various spam filters and identify any potential issues. These tools provide insights into how your emails are being evaluated and give recommendations for improving deliverability. 3. Email Blacklist Checkers. Email blacklists are databases that track IP addresses or domains that have a history of sending spam or engaging in malicious activities. Being on an email blacklist can severely affect deliverability. Blacklist checkers allow you to verify if your IP address or domain is listed on any of these blacklists. If you find yourself on a blacklist, you will need to take steps to address the issue and get delisted. 4. Email Authentication Tools. Email authentication helps verify the legitimacy of an email sender and prevents email spoofing. The most commonly used email authentication methods are Sender Policy Framework, SPF, Domain Keys Identified Mail, DKIM, and Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance, DMARC. There are various tools available to help you set up and monitor these authentication protocols to ensure your emails are properly authenticated. 5. Delivery Monitoring Tools. Delivery monitoring tools track the delivery status of the emails you send. They provide insights into bounced emails, spam complaints, and feedback from Internet Service Providers, ISPs. By monitoring these metrics, you can identify any delivery issues and take necessary actions to improve email deliverability. 6. Reputation Monitoring Tools. Reputation monitoring tools help you keep track of your sender reputation over time. They provide information on factors such as email volume, complaint rate, unsubscribe rate, and engagement metrics. By regularly monitoring your reputation, you can identify trends or sudden changes that may impact deliverability and take appropriate measures. 7. Email Analytics Platforms. Email analytics platforms offer comprehensive reporting and analytics for email campaigns. These tools provide insights into open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and other key performance indicators. By analyzing these metrics, you can gain valuable insights on how your emails are performing and make data-driven decisions to improve deliverability. In conclusion, monitoring and maintaining email delivery requires the use of various tools and techniques. By utilizing tools for monitoring email delivery and reputation as outlined in this tutorial, you can ensure that your emails are successfully delivered to recipients' inboxes and maintain a good sender reputation.